This 2025 Winnebago Micro Minnie 1800 BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, TV, external shower, oven, water heater, awning, stovetop burner, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Winnebago Micro Minnie 1800 BH is 3,986 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.